like to thank everybody for coming out today, even in spite of the weather.
Huge engine in this thing, eh?
Yep.
That's unreal. You can't even zoom back far enough.
Seven 3, come and get your prize, or I'm going to claim it myself. Might be. You notice that Al is having some assistance taking his aircraft out to the runway. Some of these tail draggers, and that's the tail dragger means an aircraft with a wheel at the back. Some of them with smaller wheels and retractable gear have difficulty operating in the grass. They tend to nose over. So it's sometimes a lot easier just to have the aircraft carried out to the takeoff position. And then from that point, throttle up and make your takeoff. Keep going, Bernie. Over the hill, Bernie. Keep going. Keep going. We can still see you, Bernie.